Hi, my name's Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make an English toffee cappuccino. The most important thing to remember when making a cappuccino is the amount of foam that you create when you're steaming your milk. The only difference between a cappuccino and a latte is the amount of foam. Lattes have very smooth but little foam on top of the beverage, while cappuccinos have a lot of foam on top. So today, to get started, we're going to take our portafilter from our espresso machine. We're going to fill it with some finely ground coffee. You can buy it pre-ground at your grocery store. Just make sure you get an espresso roast just to ensure that it's dark enough for an espresso shot. So you're going to fill up your portafilter. You're going to tamp that down, basically just press it down and twist. You're going to place that in your espresso machine, brew your shot of espresso. While you're brewing your shot of espresso, you can prep your milk. Make sure you use cold milk straight out of the refrigerator. And the less fat that's in the milk, the more it's going to foam up. So if you're going to use non-fat milk, you're going to get a lot of foam, and you're going to be able to make a really good cappuccino. If you use whole milk, it'll be a little more difficult to get the foam that you're wanting to make the cappuccino. But you choose the milk you want, and then you go ahead and steam it. While the shot is being poured, just keep your eye on that. Make sure that it stays a good brown color. Once it starts turning white, you're going to turn that off. And now we're going to steam our milk. Basically, make sure your steam wand is on. You're going to insert your wand. And what you're going to want to do to make a lot of foam for a cappuccino is you're going to want to scratch the surface of the milk. Once you're done steaming your milk, you can take your shot of espresso out from the espresso machine. And as you notice here, we have a lot of foam on top. Let the steamed milk sit for about 30 seconds. The longer it sits, the foam on top will get more and more firm, which will be easier to work with. All right, so we're going to take our shot of espresso. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of toffee, English toffee syrup to your espresso. Then you're going to take your steamed milk, scoop the foam off the top, get as much foam in there as possible. And once you got all the foam off, then you can fill the rest of your glass up with the steamed milk underneath. And there you have it. My name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and that's how to make an English toffee cappuccino at home.